Hey car enthusiasts, welcome to the channel. So Turbo Shine Nexa's 3-in-1 spray is everywhere, promising a showroom shine, scratch removal and protection in one swipe, but is it legit or just another overhyped product? I've checked reviews, tested claims, and dug into the facts to see if it's worth your money. So Turbo Shine is a car detailing spray claiming to clean, polish and remove minor scratching using nanotechnology. It's marketed as a waterless wash with hydrophobic and UV protective properties, safe for paint, glass, and plastic, according to Nexa. So sold on Amazon, as you can see, for $15, and in 100mm bottles. It's pitched as a all-in-one solution for faded headlights, trim, and clear coats. Sounds great, but does it deliver? So reviews are mixed. Some users love it, one restored faded headlights and filled minor scratches, while another praised the glossy finish and UV protection. But Amazon reviews slam it. Multiple users report streaks, greasy residue, and no shine, calling it colored water or watered down, with small bottles not justifying the price. So here are the customer reviews. As you can see, we have 288 ratings. A YouTube tester found light shine but no scratch removal or lasting protection. I tried a similar spray. Streaks were a pain to buff out. So guys, in general, this is not a scam but overhyped. The product exists and ships from Amazon with a 90-day guarantee. Ingredients like ceramic or silica aren't detailed, raising doubts about claims, and no studies back the nanotechnology. Negative reviews outweigh positives, suggesting it's more marketing than magic. So, guys, worth it? Well, you can try it, but if it falls short on scratches and durability, of course you know the answer. Guys, test on a small area and check X for real user feedback before buying. Guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.